into a construction zone. Lanes are a little bit narrow. Should be in the left lane. There's an exit up here where traffic is trying to exit and merge on. Through traffic should be in the left lane. It's a good idea to just maintain your speed. It's 45 through here right now. Leave plenty of following distance, especially in the rain like it is today. You'll never regret having more time or space to make a choice or slow down. Always want to have a lot of space on either side of you. So that way, if you do have to make a maneuver, you have space to do so. You should also make sure your headlights are on for two reasons. One, it's raining. Two, it's a construction zone, which is the law in Pennsylvania. And merge back over to the right lane to let traffic pass if they want.